Getting dragon form in Supersnail is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Here's how you can acquire the dragon form in Supersnail. Firstly, you must have unlocked all other forms in the game, such as Slime, Snail, Snail Knight, and Meta. Then you need to possess enough DNA value, 5000 WTATs. Here are some of the acquisition methods. For DNA value pack, go to the research machine and choose the growth track. Now, locate the DNA value pack section and find the dragon form entry. If you have enough DNA value, which is 5000 WTATs, you can purchase the pack. This method is instantaneous and provides the dragon form immediately upon purchase. Now for random acquisition. There is a small chance of acquiring the dragon form through explorations, events, and special rewards. This method is free but requires patience and luck. Also, keep an eye on announcements and participate in events to maximize your chances.